Hi all, welcome back. So today let us see insects for UKG kids. Insects are very small animals. Most of them have 6 legs. Some insects have wings also. Most of them can fly. Some insects are harmful and some are useful. Grasshopper. Gr, gr, as. O p grasshopper. Butterfly. B a t t f o I. Butterfly. Dragonfly. D dr a g a n f o I. Dragonfly. Ant. 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 Housefly. House is silent. I. Housefly. Mosquito. O s k it o. Mosquito. Here QU is telling K sound. Q is saying two sound. The first sound is Q. Second sound is K. Beetle. B E T A O. Beetle. B E B. Ladybug. O A D E B A G. Ladybug. Cockroach. K O K R O Ch. Cockroach. Thank you. Bye bye.